Osaka, Biscuit Hour, open the door. Osaka, Japan, Dohaka, Japan. See with me. Mayon Hanpon Maga Biscuit Hour. By the way, I'm going to explain about the difference between Osaka and Tokyo. Yay! You guys don't know the difference, and I was born in Osaka, was in Osaka, and I'm living in Osaka, Japan, Dohaka, Japan. Tokyo is the capital city in Japan, capital city. Like Manila is the capital city in the Philippines. That's like the difference between Manila and Cebu. People are different, culture is different. So in Japan, people in Tokyo and Osaka are different. That's very similar to the Philippines. Osaka is the second biggest city. In Osaka, people are friendly, like people talk to others, even if you don't know, like, oh, the clothes you're wearing is good, good clothes, good fashion. People are friendly in Osaka. And in Tokyo, people make distance. Actually, that's not bad, just culture. People keep private, people are different. People are very near in Osaka, so some people talk to private thing like, how much is your thing? But in Tokyo, people don't ask about it. Next thing, escalator is different because people in Osaka stand at the right side and walk in left side. But in Tokyo, that's opposite. People stand left side and walk right side. Next thing, train. In Tokyo, that's pack of sardine. In rush hour, naideka hammer ga tawo sa train. Lots of Japanese there. In Osaka, there are actually a lot, but not like Tokyo. And foreigners are a lot in Osaka. I don't know why, but maybe there are lots of historical structures such as castles, temples. I see a lot of foreigners in Osaka, Kansai area. In a train with vacant seat. In Tokyo, people don't sit. Sometimes people don't sit. Like, actually, there's a vacant seat, but people just stand up, don't sit down to give someone the vacant seat. But all people think about it. This is for others, so I shouldn't take a seat. In Osaka, that's war. That's a battle. People go straight to vacant seats. Okay, next. People in Osaka talk about how much cheaper, and in Tokyo, how much expensive is important. Like, I bought this handbag, and this is so expensive, so that's good in Tokyo. In Osaka, I bought this amazing smartphone, and others say,
how much is it? I found it more cheaper.
But up to person, so not all people, but this is typical Osaka people and Tokyo people. Next, this is about food. I recommend you to visit Osaka because foods are so delicious and cheap in Osaka. In Tokyo, delicious foods are expensive, and not all expensive foods are not delicious. I mean, all foods are expensive in Tokyo, and in Tokyo, cheaper foods, shit, tai, murag tai ana, why lami inexpensive foods, pakaon. What's inexpensive? Kalimutan ko Bisaya. What was it? Inexpensive. Pakaon nga diri mahal. Walami diri mahal. Only expensive foods are fine, but that's even delicious or walami. In Osaka, everything are delicious. Cheaper foods are delicious or not delicious. And expensive foods are delicious in Osaka. And living costs are different. Like in Osaka, that's monthly rent. But in Tokyo, that's real estate fines, like renewal fee. That's like 160,000 yen. So that's like 80,000 pesos every 2 years. That's renewal fee. Mahal kayo pag puyo sa Tokyo. I don't recommend. Come to Osaka. Ang sa Osaka. Next. This is also about food. Dashi is different. In the Philippines, that's like chicken stock or beef stock. In Osaka, that's kelp stock. It's common. And in Tokyo, that's bonito stock, fish stock. Because water is different, so dashi is different. And culture. In Osaka, that's comedy culture. That's important. How much funny is important in Osaka. Of course, not all people. I'm just explaining about typical Osaka people. Next, curry rice. Because in Osaka, beef curry is common. Pork is cheap. Beef is expensive and pork is cheap. And in Japanese, especially in Osaka, the word niku, meat, means beef in Osaka. So meat is beef. Pork is not meat. In Tokyo, pork curry is common. Be careful where you are staying at. If people ask you, please buy meat, that's up to the place where you are staying at. Walai mama. I don't know why. I like chicken curry, chili. Okay, next. About traffic signal. That's kind of joke. Of course, signal. Green is go. Yellow is stop if you can. Red is stop. But in Osaka, that's joke. But green is go. Yellow is go. Red is go. But be careful. That's explaining about personality of Osaka people. Like Osaka people are hurrying up, and we are not patient for waiting. This is typical Japanese. Next, police. Police are different. Actually, Osaka and Tokyo. In Tokyo, when the police visit the mafia's office, police in Tokyo is like, we are police. Let me enter your office. Tokyo police is like that. In Osaka, like, we are Osaka. This thing our open the door. That's different. I'm not sure you can find it, but that's on many videos available. Osaka police are different. So I recommend you to visit Osaka. This thing I'm living here in Osaka. Okay, that's it. Salamat sa pagkita sa akong live. And I hope you guys visit Osaka, Japan. Doha Japan. See you next time. Bye. This is Yawa.